Hello students, how are you? In last class we have studied the types of interference. One is constructive interference and other one is destructive interference. Now today, last class I have given a point, that is the conditions for interference. So we are going to study analytical conditions as well as some theoretical conditions for interference. Now for some theoretical conditions, like say interference means here there are two sources. First remember, for interference we need two waves, and for two waves there should be two sources, because what is meant by interference? It is modification in a wave because of other wave, because of their superpositions. Now when two waves superimpose each other, आता दोन वेव्स असणार आहेत त्या एकावरती सुपरइम्पोज होते एका पॉइंट वरती, दॅट मीन्स दे शुड बी टू सोर्सेस. देन दे मीट ॲट अ पॉइंट, सो वी नीड अ स्क्रीन. इथं मीट होतात समजा, सो वी नीड अ स्क्रीन. So for that, this is screen. What are the conditions we are going to study? Now the first condition is the two sources must be monochromatic. Monochromatic. What is meant by monochromatic? Mono means single. The light waves coming from these two sources must be monochromatic. Monochromatic means having same wavelength. Same wavelength. What is the meaning of wavelength? It is the distance traveled by wave in one complete cycle. One complete cycle means 0 degree, this is 90 degree, this one is 180 degree, and this one is 360 degree. So it is the distance traveled by wave in one complete cycle. Or another definition, it is the distance between two consecutive points which are in same state of oscillation. Same state of oscillation means, like say ही वेव मी पुढे एक्सटेंड करतो, असा सेम पॉइंट परत कुठे दिसतो, इथं दिसतो. सो दीज टू पॉइंट्स आर इन सेम स्टेट ऑफ ऑसिलेशन. म्हणजे काय, हायेस्ट पीक पॉइंट आहे नाउ विच इज गोइंग डाउनवर्ड, हा खाली जातो. म्हणजे असा हा सिमिलर पॉइंट इथे. असा सिमिलर पॉइंट कुठे आहे? तुम्ही मला इथं आहे सर, इथं आहे, पण याच्यासारखा पॉइंट हा नाहीये. ए इज नॉट सिमिलर टू बी. ए अँड सी आर सिमिलर. व्हाय? ए इज गोइंग अपवर्ड, सी इज ऑल्सो गोइंग अपवर्ड. ए इज ऑफ झिरो एम्प्लिट्यूड, B is also of zero amplitude, and C is also of zero amplitude. But A is not similar to B. Why? B is going downward and C is going upward. So A and C with the zero amplitude are in same state of oscillation. Both are going upward, having zero amplitude. So A and C are in same state of oscillation. Now suppose this is D and E. D and E having maximum amplitude and they are coming downward. So they are in same state of oscillation. So we can see these 2 points, distance between the 2 points which are in same state of oscillation is called wavelength. Distance between D and E याला wavelength म्हणतात. मग इथं जर superimpose व्हायचे आहेत, so for constructive and destructive we have seen crest superimpose on crest will get constructive interference. Crest plus crest, some extra crest. When crest superimpose on trough, it will be destructive interference, minus oil. So amplitude will be A1 minus A2. Here, if amplitude is A1, here amplitude is A2, resultant amplitude will be A1 plus A2. Here A1, this amplitude of second wave is A2, then the resultant amplitude will be A1 minus A2. So for this subtraction or for this addition, the first condition is that the two waves must be monochromatic. Monochromatic, the word means same wavelength. Same wavelength. The second condition is the two waves are coherent. The two waves are coherent. What is the meaning of coherent? That their phase is same, or you can say their amplitude is same, or intensity is same. because make a note, intensity is directly proportional to amplitude square. Intensity is directly proportional to amplitude square. So the two waves having same intensity or same amplitude as well as they are in same phase. So it is called coherent sources. Then or another point also, the two waves इथं जसं मोनोक्रोमॅटिकला सेम वेवलेंथ आहे, इथे एक एक्स्ट्रा पॉइंट ऍड करा, सेम फ्रिक्वेन्सी, फ्रिक्वेन्सी इज सेम आणि इथं amplitude is same, amplitude is should be same, amplitude should be same. Then the next case, the two waves must be in same state of polarization, same state of polarization, same state of polarization. Polarization means what? जर ही वेव या प्लेन मध्ये व्हायब्रेट होत असेल आणि दुसरी वेव या प्लेन मध्ये व्हायब्रेट होत असेल तर ते ऍड होणार नाहीत. टू सी, एक वेक्टर असा आहे आणि एक वेक्टर असा आहे. सो टू ऍड देम डायरेक्टली फॉर कंस्ट्रक्टिव्ह इंटरफरन्स और डिस्ट्रक्टिव्ह इंटरफरन्स दे शुड बी प्लेनर. ठीक आहे. सो यामध्ये काय नाही, दे शुड बी इन सेम स्टेट ऑफ पोलरायझेशन. 90 डिग्री वरती असेल तर या वेक्टरचा या साईडला कंपोनंट किती येतो, कोणत्याही फोर्सचा थीटा जवळचा कंपोनंट काय असणार आहे. सपोज दिस इज वेक्टर OA, दिस पॉइंट इज A, दिस अँगल 90 डिग्री. सो दिस कंपोनंट विल बी OA cos theta. So cos 90 and cos 90 is 0. So vector component of any vector in its perpendicular direction will be 0. कुठल्याही वेक्टरचा कंपोनंट त्याच्या परपेंडिक्युलर डायरेक्शन मध्ये 0 असतो. And that's why the two waves should be in same state of polarization, म्हणजे ते एकाच प्लेन मध्ये असल्या पाहिजेत. This is the fourth condition. Now the fifth condition is 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth condition, the two sources, slits or sources must be narrow sources. Narrow sources. Why? To avoid diffraction. Scattering of light ला अवॉइड करण्यासाठी we need narrow sources. Then these are some essential conditions. Then separation between the slits. इथे एक स्लिट मीनिंग काय, सपोज आपल्याकडे दोन सोर्स नसतील, एकच सोर्स असेल, सपोज हा एक सोर्स आहे. नाउ युजिंग स्लिट मीन्स एक छिद्र आहे, एक फट आहे, तर आपण त्याचा यूज करून इथं स्लिट 1, दिस इज स्लिट 2. आता इथून आलेली लाईट या दोन सोर्स मधून पुढे जाणार आहे. नाउ दिस टू स्लिट्स ऍक्ट ॲज अ सेकंडरी सोर्सेस. These two slits act as secondary sources. So slit कशाचं काम करणार आहे, सोर्सेस. सो आपल्याकडे दोन सोर्सेस नसतील, सो using a single source we can create two sources by slits. So the separation between the slits is minimum, should be minimum. The separation between the slits should be minimum. Next thing, the distance between the screen and the slits. This is screen. The distance between screen and the slits is optimum. It should be optimum. So these are some conditions, theoretical conditions, which are very essential for interference. So in next class we are going to see some analytical conditions. So when there will be constructive interference, when there will be destructive interference. So students, hope you are studying. This is our lecture after 4-5 days. So stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying. Thank you.